Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I made this sardine bread. So the first thing you do is you get a warm milk. So I added my sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I added my yeast. This is me adding my yeast, and I mixed it thoroughly. Don't forget I used warm milk, so I'm mixing it thoroughly, and I'm going to set, after mixing it, I am going to set it aside. Mix. I'm going to set it aside to prove. And now it's proofed. Then I'm going to add my flour, and my hands are already clean. I washed my hands, so look at me, I'm mixing it all together. I'm mixing it together to get my dough. And if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. And please don't forget to drop your comments down below the comment section. If you want to ask me any questions, I am available to answer all your questions. And look at me here, I am mixing it thoroughly. I'm making sure everything incorporates. So, and then once I'm done mixing in the bowl, if the water is not enough, you can add a bit of water, like a bit of warm water to it. So mixing. So I am going to be transferring this on my working table to knead.
abagabag.com.
And I'm going to be adding 28 grams of butter and knead. Keep kneading. Look at, I've gotten a smooth dough. Don't mind my baby at my back. You won't allow me to do anything, so I have to back him in this video. Please, if you enjoy my video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. So look at it, it's not yet done. Yeah, so I have to use, if you don't have the strength to mix the dough on the table, you can use your mixer, the standing mixer. Look at it here, it is okay and ready. So the next thing I did was to apply oil on my bowl. I applied oil on my bowl already, and I'm going to put the dough into it and cover it for 30 minutes to rise. Okay. So I'm going to set it aside. I forgot to do the video where it rised. Since I was videoing, I don't know, it wasn't going. So where it rised, and I've divided the dough into 7 parts. And this is me flattening the doughs and putting in my sardine inside the bowl. So you roll it, roll. I've already, yeah, so I continue the same process till I'm done. Not me, baking is therapy, and I enjoy every bit. Baking this cake, not this cake, sorry, you know. This is my first time giving a voiceover over my video. I hope I'm trying. I tried though. So I'm repeating the same process I did initially to all the doughs, putting my sardine. You first of all make a hole inside the dough, then you place your sardine into that hole and you cover it up. Look at the way I'm doing it. Make a hole there, place it inside, then you cover it up. Yes, like that. You repeat the same process. Repeat, roll. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like my video. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Please grab a cup of grease and enjoy this bread.
A bag